is Helga Niken Widanisi, but you can call me Niken. I am from class 9C. Today, I want to storytelling about Malin Kundang. In a coastal village in West Sumatra, a poor mother named Manda Rubia raised her son Malin Kundang with all her love. Mother, I'm going to sail away to take my future. I come back and take care of you someday. Don't forget me, my child. Malin Kundang is now wealthy, arriving with a big ship and his wife. His aged mother runs to his beach. Malin Mason, finally you back. Who are you? I don't know you, beggar. The mother heart breaks, and he curses him. A fierce storm stalkers, and Malin, alone with her ship, turned into a large storm that still stands on coast today. The moral value story is don't be arrogant. Thank you for watching.